We bless your name, Almighty God, right? I said this is our first chord. This is our second chord. This is our first chord. Right? Bina glory. We bless your name. Right? If you are still following, please drop a like, right? If you are still following, please drop a like. We bless your name. Right? Haure, we bless your name. Your bass, idula number 1, which is this button right here. It's also known as the key of C sharp. Right? Right? Okay? We bless your name. If you are still following, please drop a like. We're gonna move to Almighty God. Right? Thank you, Nesh, for subscribing. I really appreciate it, my brother. Thank you for your support. So, Almighty God. So we're gonna come to this chord. So it's the chord of C sharp second inversion, which is created by the key of G sharp, C sharp, and then F, right? And then we come to this one. This one is created by the key of A sharp, D sharp, and F sharp, right? And then we're gonna go back to the one that we started with. T God, right? Almighty, and then we come to this one, God, right? Which is created by the key of G sharp, C, and D sharp. G sharp, C, and D sharp. I'm gonna start from the beginning. We bless your name.